Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Good time to all of you. How are you all? I hope you are all fine by the grace of Almighty. I am also fine. Now I would like to say something about myself. This is Jannatul Naim Toha in front of you. I am currently 13 years old. I am from Keshapara, care of Abu Tahir Mullabari. My post office is Kankirhat, police station is Shenbag, and district is Noakhali. Actually, I am a student. I study in class 7 at Kankirhat Ideal High School. Now I am learning spoken English at Raihans English Academy, which is located at Kankirhat, Shenbag, Noakhali. My father's name is Sofil Azam. He is 45 years old. He is a businessman and an honest person. My mother's name is Rosina Akhtar. She is 32 years old. She is a teacher and a wonderful woman. My younger brother name is Omar Abdullah. He is only 2. I love my family very much. Thank you very much for listening patiently. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.